Hi guys, this is a quick movie just to show you some cool addition to the drone which I ordered. So this is a light which you're installing on your drone. This is for Mavic Air. I'm pretty sure that this is also for other drones. So if you're gonna like it, you can have a look. So you're installing two torches on the both sides of the drone, and this giving you extra light. So when you're flying, you see exactly where you're flying. So I don't know when this might be useful, to be honest, but this is a cool add-on. To be honest, I will have to use it and just see how it works, if I actually gonna like it. So this is a quick movie just to show you how it looks like, and I will show you also how it looks like on the drone. So as you can see, I removed this from the box. Sorry, it was pretty tight in the box, so it was not easy to put it out. So that's the torch. You got two of them. You're installing them on the sides of the drone. There is a special holder for them as well. So this is the first one. That's the holder, and to be honest, it looks quite good. I must say that this is it's feel like something pretty premium as a material. Same as torches, they are aluminium. Oh, as you can hear. So it's pretty good. Yeah, I hope I didn't broke it. I don't think so. So as you can see, there is a wee manual that show you how to put the torches inside of the holders. So that's pretty good clip, I must say. Looks good. Yeah, I like that. So first you're sliding this in, and then you adding this to the drone. So there is a manual provided, so I think it's gonna be quite easy to install. So as you can see, the torch is added. So the torch go in the way where it is located on the outside of the drone, not on the inside, because if you will try to add this other way around, you can break it. So it's pretty straightforward. So this is the second one. You're just adding this from the top and just sliding this in, like by pushing it. And this is it. The torch is added. So then you can change the angles of the torch using provided here there is a movement. So you can set this up to whatever angle you like, which means that you can, for example, fly it forward and just give yourself light to the path that you're walking at the moment. So this might be quite good for, let's say, walking in the forest. Maybe not, because to be honest, the sensors, the obstacle avoidance sensors, I think that they might have problems with recognizing trees in the darkness. But anyway, I will see how it looks like in darkness. As when it's flying, I will record the movie for it so you can see. And if you're gonna be interested, it's not very expensive. That's quite actually cheap. I paid for that £8, and I bought this from UK. But I know that you can buy this from China for less, so it's up to you. So this is how it looks like when those are on. And to be honest, they are really bright. I mean, giving so much light. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So I think this might be actually useful when you're going for a walk in the darkness. I hope that this movie and what I show you might be useful for some of you. As you can see, if you are using the same storage as I have, then you got many places where you can put those torches and also mountings. So it's pretty easy to take this with you. So I hope that was useful. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a good day.